Today, I'll show you guys how to stake Ethereum from within your Tangem Wallet using the BNB Chain's wrapped Ethereum. Use code FT9Z5K for 10% off your Tangem Wallet. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet. Step 2. Add the BNB Smart Chain to your wallet. Step 3. Purchase BNB through Tangem or transfer BNB into your wallet. Purchasing through the Tangem app is fast and convenient. Now with BNB, you should be able to interact with projects on the Binance Smart Chain. Now go to pancakeswap.finance. Click the Connect button in the top right corner of the screen. Select Wallet Connect and search for Tangem. Go back to the Tangem Wallet app and hit Start to connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Now you've connected your wallet to the decentralized application. Now click the swap button in the bottom left. Convert the amount of BNB you'd like to stake into Ethereum. Click the swap button and hit the Confirm Swap button to go ahead with the swap. Then next go back into your Tangem wallet to verify the transaction. Verify your password/ID and tap your Tangem card against your phone's NFC scanner. Go back to PancakeSwap and your swap should be complete. You now have Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain. Next click the Earn button beside the swap button below and select Liquid Staking. To convert your Ethereum into WBETH, ensure the liquid stake pair is set to Ethereum WBETH. Input the amount you'd like to convert and click Enable. Next, click the Stake button and verify the transaction in your Tangem wallet. You now have Ethereum that is being staked and is accessible in your wallet. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. Remember to get 10% off your wallet purchase.